Assalamu alaikum friends. Many students and civil engineers they comments on my YouTube channel that sir we completed civil engineering degree and diplomas, now we need a job. How I can get a job? Please tell us, please help me. So this is our topic, that how you can get a job after completion your degree or diplomas. So if this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like and subscribe the channel with press bell icon for more updates civil engineering videos like this every day. Let's start. If you completed your degree or diploma, so what you have to do after completion your degree or diplomas, how you can get a job? Many students they are telling me that sir I completed my degree and now I want to go foreign country, UAE, Canada, Saudi Arabia, etc. So it's wrong. And yes, many students and diploma holders they are telling me that sir there isn't any place to get experience. How I can get experience? Nobody can give us place in a project to get experience. So yes, you are right, those people also need experience to work with them. So how you can get experience to get a job? When you completed your degree or diplomas, so already you spend 4 to 6 years. So after completion your degree or diplomas, you will more struggle. You will try more for 3 or 4 years. That's why, because civil engineering is a field where you need experience, because without experience you can't do anything. If you go to foreign country without experience and you get your diploma or degree, and you show them that this is my degree or diplomas, please give me a job, so it's wrong, they will not give you any job. Because those people need your experience, they don't need your diplomas or degree. Because there is competition, there are mega projects, advanced technology. So for that you will try to get more experience to get a job in foreign countries. And never forget one thing, if you completed your degree and diploma, so after that you must contact with a small contractor. Tell them that please give us place to get experience with you, to do experience. And after that you will get more experience with a small contractor. It doesn't mean that you go to mega project and tell them that please I want to do experience with you and give me salary, etc. When you start from beginning, so it will be too much better for you. Don't go ahead. Get start or get step from small project. When you spend some time with them, so after that they will give you some salary, pocket money I can say. When you get experience and you know that I have more experience about my project, about my subject, then you can go to foreign country. I hope you must get a job there in a foreign country. So guys, I'm telling you that don't go to foreign country without any experience. And one thing other, that with your diploma or degrees you must learn about civil engineering softwares like AutoCAD, like Revit, MS Office, project management, civil 3D, 3D Mix, etc. So you should learn all about civil engineering softwares. They also need these softwares. You can get a job easily because these are extra bonus with you if you have civil engineering softwares knowledge. So they will give you more opportunities about this. And guys, I saw many civil engineers and students and they says that sir we completed civil engineering, now what's the salary of civil engineer? Or diploma holders in foreign country or India and Pakistan. So guys, it's wrong. It's depend on your experience. If you have more experience, so they will give you more opportunities. They will give you more salary. If you don't have experience, so they will not give you a job and you are talking about salary. Friends, if you have more experience about your related subject, construction work, good idea, so your company will tell you that we will increase your salary. Guys, when you get a job in one company in foreign country, so after that you will try to other company. And if you have a good knowledge, good behavior, good experience about your related subject, so your company will tell you that don't go work with us and we will increase your salary. They will give you more opportunities. So therefore I am telling you that get more experience, more knowledge about your related subject, about civil engineering, about softwares which are related with civil engineering, so you will be happy and you will get a job. And yes, many students, they are telling me that sir, in foreign country, in Dubai, they need Dubai experience. Yes, absolutely, it's right. So when you spend some time in your country and you get little experience from your country about India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, so after that, if you go there and you spend just from 1 month to 3 months, because you have already experience on your own country, when you spend there from 1 to 3 months in Dubai or Canada or any other country in foreign, so you will learn more about civil engineering. Many students, I saw them, they complete a degree but they don't try to study more. They say that I don't have job, so now I'm tired, I can't do anything, that and that. Now I must get a job and I have to do something for my family, for myself. I know, and yes, you are right, I know about everything, that what you have to do now. You need a money, you have more friends, you have to do something for your family, for yourself. So for that you will struggle more.